welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I am back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for the vibe. This is your girl Shelly Innovative Hands. We do everything in life, fashion, beauty, health, fitness, wellness. We do a little bit of everything. We are all about faith. We are saved by the Holy Ghost. We believe in Jesus Christ. I am here. I'm starting out a new vlog. I started a vlog yesterday, so I'm just going to continue the vlog, but I'm starting it off today again. And this is going to be a day in the life vlog. I do have a bunch of places that I need to go. I need to go to Tiffany to get my friend a birthday gift. I need to go to Sephora to see if they will still give me my birthday gift for my month for my birthday. But you know, we are in July right now. Today is the 16th of July. My sister's birthday is the 17th, so I'm going to get her something as well. My nieces and nephews. My mom is going on vacation. I need to pack a suitcase for her and send for her. And I have a few other things that I need to do. That's why I wanted to do this a day in a life vlog, because I know I have a lot of moving parts. I am sitting in front of a check cashing store. I had got a loan from them and I came to pay them off. So yeah, so I about to go in here, give them the cash, and then I'm going to head out. So see y'all in a few. So I'm here. This is what I'm wearing. So cute. I came to get the nail. Tiffany, because I want to get my friend a hold on, I'll show y'all. I love Dior. We're passing Gucci. I see Bottega over there. Louis Vuitton. It's probably upstairs. We're passing YSL. Hermes, Chanel. Unless it's... Let me ask a question. Unless it's on the other side. Hold on.
We kind of tentatively called on something, but
Thank you. Welcome. Anything else for you today? That's it.
Would you like to sit?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll go for one of the tables. Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Christy.
Would you like to introduce yourself so that you get some clients?
All right.
Let them know where to come and meet you at.
Hi, I'm Christy. Come meet us at Tiffany in Boca Raton.
Yes, y'all come. She took care of me. She really did.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. So I'm gonna sit on my little espresso. Y'all, I'm not an espresso girl, but I'm gonna try it. Fancy much? This is for my friend's birthday gift. So let's put some French vanilla in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more sugar because y'all know I'm not a coffee girl. But when in a room, you have to do as the room and stuff. This is really cute. So, let's sip this up. I'm about to taste it now.
Okay, good. It's delicious.
It is. Oh, this is good, y'all. maybe I am a coffee girl. It's nice. Yes, thank you. Oh, it's nice. This is my list, so I don't forget nothing. Because I have a few places I need to go today. Go ahead.
Hi there, welcome to Tiffany in Boca, and so nice to meet you today, Shelly, and hope to see you again soon.
Yes, thank you. Make sure you guys come and check them out and let them know that I sent you. So I am a content creator by profession, so I'm just doing my job.
I love that. So this is for you. This is your change.
Thank you.
I put a gift receipt on the inside,
Thank you.
and this is the receipt with the price attached to it.
Thank you so much.
And this is me if you should ever need me for any gifting needs.
Awesome. Okay, picture. Got it.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
May I get you anything else while you're enjoying your coffee?
I think that's fine.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
So what's going to be for your mommy today?
I have a whole lot of places I have to, because I have to like get her like a suitcase full of.
Please, your question, my English is not too good.
Together or one?
No, it's together. This and we have the earring. It's complete.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Do you have anything like this? Just
only
yeah.
the flexible.
Let me see this one.
This one.
Yeah.
It's like a bamboo. Is that right?
So I put her on mute, and she's trying to figure out. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm gonna get. Can I show them? So I'm gonna get this for my little sister, and I'm gonna get this for my